Hi, this is Cheryl back with you from Farmhouse Frugally. My husband and I had made these bead board and spindle boxes several months ago, and I wanted to repost because I thought what a wonderful gift it would make for Christmas. You will need some kind of spindle. We had an old crib at the dump that was broken, so we used those spindles, and we used bead board from our dining room when we had taken down the walls and put up wainscoting, but old barn board would also work. And then some kind of a wood glue. We like the tight bond, and a nail gun, or you can use screws obviously, or a staple gun of sorts, whatever you have for that. Since I was making several, I began by painting my spindles in different colors and then white waxing them to give them a different color and different look for each of them. And then basically you're going to build a box here. I prefer a mitered edge. I know a lot of people do a straight edge, but we mitered those edges first and then literally got, your two long sides, your two short sides. And then the difference will be how you have, after you've created a box, how you have your handle held up. So this first one, we used a straight piece of bead board and then attached it with glue and staples with a paint stick to give it a sturdy edge. Now I like to go ahead and distress everything with a sander. That's completely up to you, but I really loved the way that made this bead board look, letting some of the old wood shine through the paint. And just gave it a beautiful look. And then you can white wax that or dark wax that if you want, or polyurethane it, or just leave it. And then you need to add your spindle, which we stapled in with a nail gun to give it a nice sturdy handle. So I think that came out absolutely beautiful. I love it with the ironstone. And then we went ahead and made the same process for the other boxes, playing with the ideas of how we were going to use the beadboard or the paint sticks for these sides. So here was a smaller piece of beadboard for the next one. We just cut a design, and not quite as large as the last one, but a little bit higher, and then attached that again with glue and paint sticks, and then added the spindle for that one. Love the green. I think that's the one I ended up keeping. I sold the others. And then this one had a very straight, simple edge on it, the blue one. And nothing fancy about that at all. Just something to make it stand up straight. But I did want to add a little bit of this Icy Paris IOD stamp and some paint to it, just to give it a little something different, a little more cottagecore look to that one. And then the next one simply used the paint stick, didn't even bother with the beadboard at all to hold up that spindle. You can see that in the bottom here. It was just the paint stick. So if that's what you have, that's what you use. So that came out really great, and I hope that you like these. I hope that you'll share this video with a friend, because that is how this channel grows. We have already quadrupled in size this year, which I so appreciate. Thank you for stopping by, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.